আছে briefing আছে
একদিন কি আছে?
My lords.
Yes.
Lords, in 99,
Yes.
I beg to appear for a petitioner number 1 and 2. Petitioner number 1 is a sitting MLA from Siliguri. Petitioner number 2 is the leader of the opposition. Lordship, I am before my lords for a very limited prayer, but this is a very grievous matter. This is a matter where consequence of a desecration of a Hindu idol of a goddess, what happened was that there was some kind of disturbance. A peaceful rally had to be carried out by the party which is in the opposition. Adequate and required permissions were granted. The rally was to take place on 19th. From 11th of March itself, all permissions, all representations were made. My lord, on 17th of March, I was given all legal permissions. And yet, in dire dereliction of duty, the police mechanism, the state machinery permitted a crowd of 800 hooligans who come to the spot, create a disturbance, and my lord directly attacked the vehicles of both the sitting MLA of Siliguri as well as the leader of the opposition.
Well,
What a shock.
Any case registered already?
my lord, we received an email. After
Signature.
that, my lord, we wrote back to the person, my lord, Mr. Mukherjee, our learned colleague, my lord. We received the email from Mr. Mukherjee. We wrote back to him saying that kindly provide us with adequate details. That was on Sunday. No, it has not been responded to as far till the time I got instructions.
That is not fair. No, my lord. That is not true. That is not true at all.
Copy of the complaint. Nothing is with me except for the email. On Sunday, we wrote back to him that what you are saying, we are not finding from the various video footages that we have obtained from the site. There were 450 police personnel, along with high-rank police personnel, executive magistrates present, my lord. Not a single contact has been seen from any of the videos. If they have further details, let them provide us.
My lord, the injury report of victims was given. The photographs of the damage that was sustained by my car was given. Video footage has been given. They keep on replying to us saying that they find absolutely no substance in the allegations. Lordship, they refuse to register
The email, my
FIR
lord, that
because
was instantly responded to also.
there is an absolute collusion between the state machinery, the police machinery, and the hooligans.
161 recorded. Call Mr. Mukherjee. Record is 161. Huh?
Oh, I think if you want to give a one.
Huh? Do something, sir. Some injury reports are over here. Whether they are correct.
Only one.
Whatever one.
I just saw it, my lord. I just saw it. But if they wanted to rely on it, they could have given it to me.
We
It's from 23rd.
work on this, sir, and do something, sir. We cannot allow the law and order to go out of hand.
My lord, may I state what happened, my lord?
So no issue of quarreling over. You have got to take steps if the situation is out of hand.
My lord, the permissions were given at two completely different periods of time. I have already stated, my lord, there were enough number of police personnel which was commensurate to the visit of the leader of opposition.
Sir, two things are there. One is an injury report and whether the car was broken.
No, we have not found that. We wanted that details. My lord, we had videographers there. We have not found.
That is the allegation. That is the
We have
allegation.
not found any contact. My lord, damaging the car is secondary. We have not found any contact.
Contact.
Contact between the persons who were showing black flags according to the complaint to the leader of opposition.
No, the whoever has they may say against X, Y, Z. You are a state. You have got to.
We have seen the videograph. There has to be a contact between the two.
Are
For
you
damage to happen.
Sir, when you do an investigation, is it a complaint specific allegation you have got to work on?
We have gone through all the videographs.
So
if they say that the vehicle has been damaged.
So who you find out the person who has damaged that may not be a person who showed black flags.
Damage. We have not found the damage in the video footage, my lord. When the contemporaneously the video.
Where from are you showing? The video footage is there with. কোথায় ছবিটা দেখি
ছবিগুলো
My lord, very respectfully, if there are over 400 personnel and yet
আমাকে
the
দেখিয়ে
leader
লাভ
of the
নেই।
opposition is
No.
attacked,
They have it.
that is
They have everything.
despicable.
42, these are the pages, 40 to 51.
হ্যাঁ, this is enclosed along with the petition.
Yes, yes, my lord.
Which page?
No, the entire Google Drive, my lord.
Let them show which page, or they could have given a pen drive, something could have
Pen
been
drive
there.
is
It
given
there.
আমাকে দিয়েছে, তো আমাকে দিয়ে কি হবে?
Not with me. This is the
All
service
right,
copy.
you come with a fresh
Yes,
report.
service copy.
You come with a fresh report tomorrow.
Let them provide
They,
the-
all the materials, give it to them. You have not
Provide
given
the-
this to them. Pen drive.
This is the service copy.
On Sunday, they wrote a letter, my lord, addressing Mr. Mukherjee to provide the evidence. Immediately, my lord, Mr. Mukherjee responded to it, enclosing all, my lord, the electronic evidence that was available, including access to the Google Drive. Now, my lord, my learned friend said that they have not received. Their officers, my lord, have sent
No, everyone cannot argue together, my lord. I cannot respond to everyone. They have a learned leader. They are not trusting their own leader.
Is that the only point my learned friend has?
No, this is one of the points. I cannot respond to the entire contingent. This is
Lord,
not
my learned friend needs to respond to the fact that there were 400 police officials and yet
All
the
right,
leader
all
of
right,
the
all right.
opposition, there was an attack on his life.
আরে যা যা আছে দিয়ে দিই ওকে আজকে।
We'll
He
come-
has it, but
we'll
they
come
have
back
everything,
next
my
week.
lord.
Give it again. in
Well,
front
there's
of-
something in your lordship's brief which is not there in the service copy.
সেই জন্যই I understand. But there is something over here actually.
It is not there in my brief. This is the copy we have served by Ms. Banerjee.
You see, you have given something to me which is not there in his brief. He can't cross-check his client also. That much advantage I've got to as a counsel, the profession he is entitled to. Come back tomorrow with reports if there are.
Kindly, next week, my lord. Kindly.
এতদিন সময় লাগে না, but
The video has not been given to me as yet, my lord.
দিয়ে দিচ্ছি, এক্ষুনি দিয়ে দেবে।
No, the video has been handed over, my lord. It's for the-
একই কথা বলে যাচ্ছে।
It is for the
But it is in
investigating
your
officer.
lordship's brief. That is what I only want to see. What is there in your
But kindly, my lord, the original copy is with your lordship, my lord, enclosed here with copy of the video footages, medical report and other photographs of.
And that's enclosed written over there. Mayuk Mukherjee is the advocate.
The receipt is also provided. The Google Drive is also, my lord, containing
Eh,
all the photographs.
এটা ছিঁড়ে দিন, আমি বলে দিচ্ছি। এইটা ছিঁড়ে ওকে দিয়ে দিন। The pen drive which has been enclosed along with the judge's copy is handed over to Mr. Bandyopadhyay.
which was not given to me earlier, which was not served on the state earlier.
I'm giving it to you, sir. Why are you getting excited, sir?
My lord,
Cool down the
my
situation.
lord, even my lord, innocuous orders are carried before the honorable division bench, my lord. When they agree, the same councils agree before your lordship, my lord, then they move in appeal. My lord, kindly record it not been submitted, not given to me.
Against the client. I don't know.
আচ্ছা, কি বলবো?
We are seeing how the learned officers are behaving. my lord.
Okay, okay.
Investigation is something exclusive to be done.
আরে
by the
appeal
police
court
officers,
থাকলেই
not by
move
the
হবে,
council.
হবে না হয় নাকি? State
My lord, it is very elementary to give a copy to the state which is being relied upon in the court.
I'm handing it over to you, sir.
It is very elementary.
কি বললাম? Bandyopadhyay as it has been submitted by the learned senior standing council that the pen drive was not enclosed in the service copy which was served on the
On a
state,
government leader.
upon the office of the government leader. Full stop.
Well, at least Friday, my lord. At least Friday.
কিছু নেই একটা,
Kindly give me 48 hours, my lord. Kindly.
এটা 48 incident happened on Sunday, sir.
I am getting the comment. Kindly 48 hours.
No, we have
No,
filed everything on Sunday.
Tomorrow 4:30 come, sir. Tomorrow 4:30 come. You see, you explore, you say you are going to do something or there are nothing.
I'll not negotiate with the court. My lord.
No, I'm come, because you understand, sir. There are certain matters which you have the more
I understand what is calling from your lordship, my lord. I'll come back.
এটা ওকে ছেড়ে দিয়ে দিন, হ্যাঁ?
Grateful,
Oshish.
my lord. Much grateful.
আচ্ছা, senior standing in council will peruse the pen drive and accordingly take instructions or advise the
Contents thereof.
and advise the state respondents. এইটাকে ছিঁড়ে ওকে দিয়ে দেবেন আর এখানটা লিখে দেবেন একটা সাদা কাগজ এনক্লোজ করে দিয়ে পেন ড্রাইভ হ্যান্ডেড ওভার টু দ্য অ্যাডভোকেট অ্যাপিয়ারিং অন। আমার কি হবে?
But this pen drive is in addition to, my lord, the Google Drive that is already with the police, my lord.
I'm not entering into that zone. Let us work on the merits of the case, sir.
এখন নিয়ে নেবো?
Much obliged, my lord.